In this video, we are going to discuss about your stomach rebuilds itself every 3 days. Here's why. Ever stop to think about what's going on inside your stomach? It's more than just a place where food goes. Did you know your stomach lining is completely rebuilt every 3 days? That's an incredible rate of renewal, a constant cycle of demolition and construction happening right beneath your ribs. That's right, your body is constantly renovating itself. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human body. While you go about your day, a microscopic construction crew is hard at work, tirelessly performing a vital function you probably never even think about, tearing down old cells, replacing them with new ones. This rapid renewal is called cell regeneration, and it's essential for maintaining the integrity of your digestive system, and it keeps your stomach strong and healthy. Think of it as your stomach's own personal shield, constantly being polished and perfected. The lining acts like protective wallpaper, a carefully constructed barrier between your stomach and the harsh environment within, shielding your stomach from the harsh acids it produces to digest food. These acids are powerful enough to break down almost anything, so that lining has a tough job, because it's on the front lines, constantly exposed to corrosive substances and abrasive food particles. This lining takes a beating and needs frequent replacement. Instead of repairing damaged cells, which would be a slow and energy-intensive process, your body simply swaps them out for fresh ones, like a brand new stomach lining delivered every few days. This process ensures your stomach is always ready for action, primed and ready to tackle whatever culinary adventure you embark on, no matter what you eat. So next time you enjoy a meal, savoring each bite and appreciating the flavors, remember the incredible team of cells working behind the scenes to keep you safe. They're the unsung heroes of your digestive process, working tirelessly to keep everything running smoothly. Your stomach is a perpetual renovation project, a constantly evolving masterpiece of biological engineering, and you're the amazing result. It's not just biology, it's a symphony of cellular activity, a testament to the incredible complexity of life. It's a spectacular show happening inside you right now. That's your body's secret superpower in action. Why does your stomach need such a fast upgrade? The answer: stomach acid. Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid, so strong it could dissolve metal. To protect itself, your stomach lining creates a thick mucus barrier, like an acid-proof raincoat. Even with this shield, the environment is so harsh that cells get worn out quickly. Instead of waiting for damage, your body replaces the lining before problems start, like a pit crew swapping out tires before they blow. This high-speed replacement keeps your digestive system running safely and smoothly. It's a race against time, and your health depends on it. So, how does this stomach makeover actually happen? Deep in your stomach lining are stem cells, the master builders. These stem cells divide and create new stomach cells, which move up to the surface like tiles on a conveyor belt. As they rise, they mature, take on jobs like producing mucus digestive enzymes. After about 3 days, these cells reach the surface, finish their work, and are shed, sometimes digested along with your food. New cells immediately take their place, keeping the lining fresh and strong. This seamless cycle ensures your stomach is always protected. It's a microscopic marvel of engineering happening non-stop. The human body is in a constant state of renewal, a silent symphony of cellular regeneration. And the stomach, that resilient organ working tirelessly to digest our food, has one of the most remarkable renewal rates. Its 3-day renewal is one of the fastest in your body. It's an incredible feat of biological engineering, ensuring that this vital organ can keep up with its demanding job. For comparison, your skin, which is constantly exposed to the elements, takes a considerably longer 2 to 4 weeks to fully renew. That's quite a difference. Red blood cells, the oxygen carriers of your body, last about 4 months before they are replaced, and your bones, the very framework of your body, take up to 10 years to completely replace themselves. It's a slow and steady process of remodeling and rebuilding. The stomach lining is a true sprinter, a cellular Usain Bolt, constantly pushing the limits of regeneration. It's built for speed because it faces constant wear and tear from harsh acids and abrasive food. This rapid turnover is essential for maintaining its integrity. Other fast regenerators include your intestines, which work alongside the stomach to digest and absorb nutrients. They renew every 5 to 7 days, ensuring efficient nutrient uptake. Meanwhile, most brain cells, the architects of your thoughts and memories, last a lifetime and rarely get replaced. They are the long-term keepers of your personal history. Each body part has its own regeneration pace, carefully calibrated to meet its specific needs and challenges. The stomach's rapid cycle is a testament to your body's adaptability, its ability to thrive in the face of constant adversity. It's like a team of cellular athletes, each with their own unique strengths and endurance levels, each running their own race, striving for optimal performance and longevity. And in this race, your stomach lining always takes the gold, a champion of rapid renewal and resilience. Our stomachs are constantly renewing their lining, a rapid process essential for digestion and protection. But what if this rapid renewal stopped? What would happen if the cells responsible for rebuilding the stomach lining suddenly ceased their work? Your stomach would be in big trouble. It would be vulnerable, exposed, and unable to function correctly. Without new cells constantly being produced, the protective mucus lining would thin and weaken, losing its effectiveness. This would expose your stomach to the harsh corrosive effects of its own acid. This exposure could cause painful damage, like ulcers, which are essentially open sores in your stomach lining. This constant regeneration, driven by stem cells, is absolutely essential for maintaining your health and well-being. It's what allows you to enjoy all kinds of foods, from spicy curries to acidic fruits, without constant worry or pain. It's a silent hero, a tireless worker operating around the clock, 24/7, to keep you safe and healthy. Learning about these hidden processes, these intricate mechanisms, helps you truly appreciate the incredible wonders happening inside your own body. The stomach's self-repair mechanism is just one fascinating chapter in the amazing and complex story of your body. So stay curious, keep asking questions, because there's a whole world of scientific discovery waiting for you to explore. Remember, the real magic, the most incredible processes, are happening inside you silently and efficiently every single day. If you liked it, tap that like and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.